Who's there, Spot?
Bye.
Who's there, Spot?
Bye. Bye.
Someone is at the door, Spot.
I'm sorry.
Knock, knock. Who can it be? Who is it?
Bye.
Helen, good boy. Where's the vase
Keep her away from me.
Bye.
with the flowers?
She was standing there.
Bye.
Where's the banana?
Banana.
Good boy. And what's this?
Ice.
Hat, where does the hat go? Your head. Tweet, tweet. Who's in the tree? Who's in the tree?
Tree.
What are these?
Boo.
Good boy. Ding dong. Who's ringing the bell? Who's that?
Deer.
Miss Bear. Good. Growl. Wait. Oh. What's the crocodile? What? Do you want to do crocodile? Giggle, giggle. Spot knows who's in the playhouse. Who's that? Helen.
Bye.
Where's the ball? Where's the ball?
And a ball.
And what's this?
Thing is,
It's a crocodile.
Mom.
Snap, snap, snap.
It's by the bush.
Some blocks, yeah.
A box.
Yes. Croak, croak. Who's in the pond? Who's in the pond? Ribbit? Frog?
Fork.
What's this?
Little.
What is it?
Mom.
It's a turtle. And this is a crocodile. And what's this?
Daddy.
It's a monkey. What sound does a monkey make? Good boy. Meow, meow. Who's in the basket? Who's in the basket? Lucky. Who's in the basket?
oh, hi.
A bucket.
Who's in it? A cat?
Pig.
Meow? What's this?
Yeah.
Iron.
Iron. Good boy. It's an iron over there. Squeak, squeak. Who's in the cupboard? It's a mouse.
Mouse.
Where's Spot's bone?
Book.
Yeah, Spot's bone.
This.
That's his drink bottle. His drink. When he gets hot. Squawk, squawk. Who's in the cage? Pretty Polly.
Body. Walk.
Squawk, squawk. Good boy.
Of course she does.
Splish, splash. Who's in the bath?
Daddy.
Daddy. Spot's daddy's in the bath. Where's the towel?
Down.
Good boy. And the boat?
Boot.
And the duck?
Duck.
No, that's the boat and that's the duck.